Starting around the 20th of April 2023, Ethereum for the most part is exchanging at $1,865.44 in term of its USD rate, with the value change of 0.19% in every practical sense. Most recent 1 hour in a kind of significant manner. ETH explicitly has a very all-out market cap of $224,707,150,566, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $8,623,084,316 in a genuinely significant manner. This in a real sense makes Ethereum genuinely positioning at 2 in the cryptographic money market, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. In the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Ethereum cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Ethereum truly be worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Is Ethereum a fundamentally wise speculation or essentially worth purchasing in 2023, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge? Will ETH cost really outperform its unequaled high? These essentially are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Ethereum Value Forecast 2023, which really is very huge. As per the Ethereum Gauge Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2023 the ETH cost is supposed to in every practical sense cross a for the most part normal value level of $2,519.85. The normal essentially least value worth of Ethereum toward the finish of the truly current year ought to really be $2,445.51 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, ETH can, all things considered, arrive at a truly greatest value level of $2,786.58 in a huge manner. Ethereum Value Conjecture April 2023. The Ethereum cost for April 2023 may generally arrive at a really least worth of $1,765.63, while the very greatest determined cost essentially is around $2,007.25 in an every practical sense, significant way. The in every practical sense, normal cost for ETH really is generally anticipated to by and large reach $1,951.49 in April 2023 in a truly significant way. Ethereum Value Estimate May 2023. In May 2023, the exceptionally most extreme cost for Ethereum could stretch around $2,104.82 in a significant manner. Besides, the minimum cost of ETH in May 2023 generally is $1,897.59, with a for the most part normal cost of $1,990.52 in a kind of large manner. Ethereum Value Expectation June 2023. The cost of Ethereum truly is explicitly anticipated to really reach at a kind of least worth of $1,977.21 in June 2023. The ETH cost could in a real sense arrive at a truly most extreme worth of $2,184.44, with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $2,070.14 all through 2023, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Ethereum Value Gauge July 2023. The Ethereum cost for July 2023 may especially arrive at a kind of least worth of $2,018.62, while the genuinely most extreme estimated cost is around $2,267.25 in an unpretentious manner. The in every practical sense, normal cost for ETH sort of is explicitly anticipated to basically reach $2,111.54 in July 2023 in a truly significant way. ETH Value Figure August 2023. The Ethereum Conjecture for August 2023 expects that the ETH may explicitly arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme worth of $2,372.83, with a genuinely least cost of around $2,081.96, which basically is genuinely critical. Discussing the fundamentally normal value, ETH can basically stretch around $2,174.89 for August. In every way that really matters, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Ethereum Value Expectation September 2023. With respect to September 2023, Ethereum cost in a real sense is figured to truly arrive at a flat-out least cost of $2,187.54, or so they truly thought. The ETH cost could for the most part arrive at a truly greatest cost of $2,481.57, with the genuinely normal expected cost around $2,261.89, or so they really thought. Ethereum Value Expectation October 2023. With respect to October 2023, Ethereum cost essentially is figured to explicitly arrive at an in a real sense the most reduced cost of $2,259.43 in a fundamentally significant manner. The ETH cost could really arrive at a by and large greatest cost of $2,572.05 with the in every practical sense. Normal expected cost around $2,352.36, showing the way that the ETH cost could explicitly arrive at a very most extreme cost of $2,481.57 with the especially normal expected cost around $2,261.89, which explicitly is very huge. Ethereum value expectation November 2023. The cost for Ethereum in November 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $2,330 and $2,689.66, or so they thought, while the very normal exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $2,422.93, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Ethereum value gauge December 2023. The extremely normal cost of Ethereum could generally go to $2,519.85 toward the finish of December 2023, which by and large is very huge. ETH could basically be exchanging around a fundamentally greatest worth of $2,786.58 with the base expected cost of $2,445.51 in a genuinely significant manner. Ethereum essentially passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto fundamentally has been especially diminished by 2.85% in its truly current worth, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Assuming we basically analyze the for the most part current market cap of the ETH with yesterday, you can essentially see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down, which in a real sense is very huge. Ethereum for the most part is confronting a sort of tough time jumping aboard with essentially other crypto coins, or so they fundamentally thought. The ETH generally is down to nearly 2.53% in the very most recent 7 days, which in a real sense shows that Ethereum value expectation October 2023. With respect to October 2023, Ethereum cost certainly is gauged to explicitly arrive at an actually the least cost of $2,259.43 in an unpretentious manner. The coin truly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for in every practical sense, past especially couple of days. The coin could basically have serious areas of strength for especially in any case. We don't by and large figure that it would a productive resource in present moment, or so they for the most part thought. Nonetheless, after the contrasting the in every practical sense current cost with recent days cost history, it explicitly is seen that Ethereum has expanded 7.829% in its worth, which explicitly shows that will ETH cost basically outperform its unsurpassed high, which sort of is genuinely critical. The sort of typical sort of least cost for the month explicitly is $1,652.65, while genuinely most extreme normal cost really was $1,719.40, further showing how ETH value estimate August 2023. The Ethereum figure for August 2023 expects that the ETH may sort of arrive at a very greatest worth of $2,372.83 with a base cost of around $2,081.96 in a very large manner. This suggests that this coin for the most part is a reasonable resource and another expansion to really your arrangement of coins for kind of long haul and in every practical sense.